Go ahead, Jay, make a snow angel. The sound you made when you fell, though. Now we're back here once again. Holidays and cheer. But now I got my eye set on you. I'm not gonna play it safe. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, my friends and families. It's a crazy house this morning. Good morning. It is a snow day, meaning I have all the kids here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here. You know, it's just one of those mornings. Good morning. Oh my goodness. It's just one of these crazy mornings. The kids are acting out. They're wounded out. It's a snow day. Everybody's home. Yeah, the fighting, the screaming, you know, you name it, I got it. But welcome back to my channel. This is day 12 of FRITZI's Vlogmas here, Life with FRITZI. We're here and we're gonna be doing a couple things today. Today is the snow day, so the kids will most likely be going outside. I'll be taking a video of that, of them playing the snow. They want to make a snowman. They want to do snow angels and whatnot. So we'll see if we can do that. We'll see, you know, if the ice is not too hard, if the snow is not too hard from the ice storm we also had last night. But yeah, that's just our house this morning. If you like our channel, please give us a thumbs up. We really appreciate it. And if you're new here and you have not yet subscribed to our channel and not became part of our family, go ahead and pop that subscribe button. I am making breakfast for the kids. It is right early and this morning, so we're gonna make some breakfast. I'm gonna make some pancakes and bacon and have some fruit, some mixed fruit, some strawberries and bananas and stuff like that for the kids to eat this morning for breakfast, because that's what they eat. And we're gonna get this day started, and then I guess we're gonna be doing a couple things today. The snowman and going outside, and we gotta clean up some stuff here in the house because these kids made a mess in my house. But hold on, guys. On that note, let's get to this video. I'm going to sit here and make some pancakes for the kids and all that good shabazz. I have a bacon in the oven. I'm about to make this pancake. So I'll make here pancakes.
Walking on fire, trying not to burn my feet. I'm tired of fighting, saying things we don't mean. You know I don't like it when you're packing your bag and turning your back, calling me a liar, calling me a liar. Trying not to let my feelings get to me. Sometimes I can't let them go. So now I got these voices. Now I got these voices in my head, baby. I can focus. Feels like I've been hypnotized. Now I'm terrified of losing you. Touching your body, but feeling like I'm all alone, Jude.
Okay, guys, so we are outside. We're out here. We're going to play in the snow with the kids. It's getting late. I know it's getting a lot of stuff to do, so that's why we're out here late. But I'm going to show you my yard of what it looks like. Okay, so this is my yard currently. And then over there, way over there, we see if I can zoom it in, is a little hill behind the pool. And that's where the kids are going to be going down the hill sledding. So let's bring the kids out and let's go sledding. So the kids are still inside and they're getting their gear on. They're finishing up. Brad's finishing up putting on Jay's stuff on, but it is quite a view out here. We didn't expect to get this much snow, but yeah, I'm gonna show you my front yard. Hold on, before the kids get out. So just piles and piles of it everywhere. Look at my mailbox. I poor mailbox about tipped over because of the snow. But yeah, the sunset looks cute. But this is a winter wonderland. So we got a white Christmas a week early before Christmas. One more thing, the only one that's gonna be playing out here and slaying would be Jay and Asia. The reason is that Aiden doesn't like the cold much. He doesn't like snow. He doesn't like the way the snow feels. He don't like it like on his skin, and he don't like it touching anything cold. kind of like me. But he just don't like it, and with his autism and stuff like that, he just don't like it. He's just certain things he don't like. So he doesn't want to go out. So he's gonna stay inside with Brad, you know, on the watching TV and on his tab. That's what he wants to do. And then I'm gonna be outside with the kids while they slay outside. So this is what I'm gonna do. So let's get the kids out. Tell me, people, how I almost busted my behind in this snow, walking in the snow, because that's how deep it is. Jesus. Well, I got long boots on. All right, guys. When are you ready to come down the hill? Come on down. Asia, you got stuck. You might need the bigger sled, Asia. Or is that the bigger sled?
Yay! Whee! Ow. I want to make a snow angel. Ada, let's make an angel. Yeah. Whee! Ah!
Guys, go up there. Go on the top. Over to the top with the sled and come down. Go ahead, hurry up. Hold on, JD, you gotta get the track. Because Asia made that track so y'all can go down. Watch out, JD. That's the part from the thing, the sled. Go ahead, Jay. Come on. Your turn. One, two, three. Yay, Jay! Woo! Jay, you went far this time. One, two, three. Go, Asia. Woo!
And follow Rudolph all across the town. Played it with me under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face, and later we warm up by the fireplace. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Merry Christmas Day.
I'm gonna cry!
Yeah.
Rudolph, my dear, the forecast ain't clear. So will you please light my way and lead this old man's sleigh? I said, Rudolph, my friend, once more will you lend your red nose, or heaven knows how this sleigh ride will end. Rudolph, my
Hold on, JD, you gotta get the track. Because Asia made that track so y'all can go down.
save the day.
Watch out, JD.
Say your name. Now will you pull my sleigh? Rudolph.
1, 2, 3. Go, Asia. Woo! Meanwhile, the blue snake got the gangster hold.
Now don't you act so coy. Let us go and fill all the little children's hearts with joy. Rudolph, my dear,
Jay, watch it.
you know the forecast ain't clear. So will you please light the way and lead old Santa sleigh?
All right, Jay, you're next. You want to come slide down?
Lead old Santa sleigh. Come on, lead old Santa sleigh. Hey, let's do it one more time. One more time. Yeah.
All right, go ahead. Go. Yeah, he is. Like your pizza? Chicken tenders, Asia?
Yes. I like it.
Aiden chowing down the chicken tender. Everybody enjoy your snow day? Aiden, I know you didn't enjoy your snow day. You didn't go outside. Aiden don't like the snow. What about you, Jay? You have fun in the snow? Throwing yourself in the snow? You look tired now. You wore yourself out, didn't you? Asia, you enjoyed your snow day?
Yeah.
You enjoyed your snow day? Everybody enjoyed your snow day? Aiden, you enjoyed your snow day inside the house? You didn't go nowhere. You did not like the snow. Alright guys, I am going to end this video here. We are done. Tomorrow is a regular school day. It's crazy around here. Tomorrow is a regular school day and kids got to go back to school regular time. And they have to take showers and I have to get ready for bed and all that good stuff. It was a good snow day. They had fun. Aiden didn't care for too much for it. He stayed in the house playing on his little tablet, watching TV, and I think he took a nap for a little bit and while we were outside because he doesn't like snow. But everybody else there, everybody enjoyed the snow day. We had lots of fun. We had lots of fun outside and we played and we got our day done. But now it's time to wrap it up and get ready for bed, take showers, get ready for bed, chill out for a little bit because tomorrow's the end of the work week. I mean, for us, they got school tomorrow, we gotta go. But on that note, I gotta close this video out. I see you on the next video. If you like this video, remember to go ahead and give us a thumbs up. It does help our community grow, help YouTube push out our videos. Also, if this is your first time here and you have not became a part of our family, of the Life of FRITZI family, go ahead and bop the subscribe button and go ahead and subscribe to our channel so you can become part of our crew. Also, don't forget to keep your notifications on. Make sure they're on all so you don't miss no good videos here at the Don Bates Crew. But on that note, remember, stay positive, stay motivated, stay empowered. Empower yourself, empower somebody else's life, but never forget to empower your life to be better you than it was the day before. Every day above ground is a great day, and we got to go. Remember, always, my friends, always stay happy, my friends. And on that note, love, peace, and I bought a head grease. And I see you on the next video. See you tomorrow on the next video. And as always, happy Vlogmas, everyone. Ciao. Peace out.